Alright, so I got it running again, and it's seeming to run without any choke right now. Choke's all the way in. If I give it a little choke or a little gas, it seems to idle a lot smoother. Idling it where it's set out of the box, it seems to be pretty rough. I don't know if you can see in the video, but it's shaking pretty bad. I don't think I'm going to like that on my auxiliary motor mount that I need to hang this on. Hoping it idle a little smoother than that. Maybe once it gets broken in. Or I need to adjust something. Yeah, that's rougher than a two-stroke right there. It's bouncing all over the place.